the bottom of the first we go at TD Ballpark in game one of two 7-inning contests today. No score as Hung Lung Chang, the right-hander from Taiwan, gets set for his first pitch of the ball game. He'll square off against the Blue Jays leadoff man Victor Arias. First pitch, misses down on a fast Sunday. 1-0. Arias takes down and outside. He's out ahead 2-0, the pitch. He takes a slider outside, trying to get back on the upswing. He steps forward in the box and takes a 3-0 called strike. Position in the box. 3-1 is rolled over to second base. Ural Toledo is there. He fields it cleanly and throws to first in time. Right-hander on right-hander. First pitch, misses in. Ball one. So he's hitting 266. 1-0. A slow curve. Pretty deep mix of pitches. Is 1-1. Fastball pulled foul, third base side. Now it's 1-2. Throws a fastball, 6-3, kicks and fires, and the 1-2 misses out in front of home plate. Maybe your day off after your birthday. He said, sleeping. 2-2, line drive past the third baseman Rivas, down fair, down the left field line. Beltre motoring towards second. He's in standing. The on-base streak is 23 games, and Beltre has a one-out double in the line. No score, bottom one. Blue Jays trying to strike first. First pitch, in there for a called strike. Dunedin D. White numbers on the back. 0-1, swing and a foul back. Chang kicks and fires, and Feliz bounces a curveball foul behind home plate. Stays alive, still 0 going. Next 0-2, swing and a miss, strike three. Chang climber. Righty on righty, first pitch. Fastball called strike, 40 games. 0-1. Swing and a miss on the curveball. Fooled him. Earned runs. 0-2. Hernandez pops it up down the right field line, fading towards the seats. Torrero, the right fielder, over, and he runs out of first. Next 0-2. Hernandez rolls it over towards shortstop. It's cut off by the third baseman Rivas. Throw to first low, but it's Merlin Valdez with a double from Manny Beltre. First pitch to Tucker Tolman, the lefty. Breaking ball, misses. Rests the bat on his shoulder in the pitch. Misses out. 4 bombs. 2-0. He watches a fastball high. Friendly ballpark here. 3-0 pitch. He swings away and pops it foul back into the screen. 3-1 offer. Swing and a miss. One after the fence. That's progress. Payoff pitch on the way. It's fouled off, and we'll have another. Chang, the long-haired righty, sets and fires, and Tolman fouls it back. Works all from the stretch. Payoff again. Tolman swings and misses. Strike three. Fast. First pitch. He takes a curveball for a called strike. Waves the bat over his shoulder and waits on the pitch and swings and foul tips it. And Omar Alfonso behind 0-2 here. The pitch misses low and in. 1-2. Deschamps with a hard hopper towards the second baseman, Toledo. Nobody's at first. Chang hustles over, and the throw is airmailed. Deschamps is safe. Now he's dashing for second. Alfonso's throw there is good. Deschamps back to first. He slides in safely. Oh, man. That turned into on Sunday. First pitch. He lays off a curve. 1-0. Has popped up over our head. Get out of that jam eventually. 1-1. Check swing, floater, slams his arms in frustration. Now the 1-2 to Joseph. He takes a bouncing curve stance. 2-2. Joseph drives it down the left field line. It drops fair. Past the left fielder Rodriguez all the way to the wall. Deschamps on his horse. He gets the stop sign at third base. And Gene Joseph has a 2-bagger. First pitch to him. Misses low this inning. Joseph on second, 1-0. Robertis jumps out of the way of a curveball. Or TIS. Robert Robertis, 2-0. Curveball loops in there, called strike. 61 games last year. 2-1. Swing and a miss. An aggressive hack. The 2-2. Robertis gets a piece of a curveball. He stays alive, still for his back shoulder. Chang comes back with the next 2-2. And Robertis cracks it into center, sends Polanco back, still moving back in front of the track. He makes the catch gliding away. Deschamps tags up, scores standing, and Joseph tags up as well. He moves down. First pitch to Arnold. Here it is. He takes a called strike at the knees so far this year. 0-1. Swing and a miss on a breaking ball. Swung away guy. 0-2. Fly ball deep to left. Sends Rodriguez back. He looks up. Goodbye. That one got out of here in a hurry. Arnold turns around a hanging curveball for a 2-run homer. Here's Arias, the top of the order. He pops it up, third base side, and Alfonso runs out of room. It's into the first time in the first. Pitch, pulled sharply foul, first base side. Full header today. 0-2. Arias turns away but takes a called third strike as a fastball just clipped the inside corner of the zone. But the damage is done in the Blue Jays' second inning. Sac fly from 3 extra base hits. First pitch to Manny Beltre. Takes a called strike out of the hand first. 0-1. Beltre grounds it the opposite way to the first baseman Valdez. He backhands, flips to Chang, foot race to the bag, and Beltre loses it. He can't believe it. Oh, from here it looks like he might have had a case.
First baseman, number 34.
There's a 3-1 put out for out number 1. Get a replay look at it here. It was a late toss, and they always say tie goes to the runner. Looks like that might have been the case there. Either way, on top 4-3. First pitch to Christian. Swing and a miss. The right-hander kicks and deals. And Feliz takes upstairs. 1 ball. How can you blame him? 1-1. Feliz swings and misses on a looping breaking ball. Kicking the pitch. Feliz takes a fastball for a called strike 3. Chang located it right at the letters for the big fella Feliz, and he's set down looking for out number 2. Straight. First pitch. Hernandez flies it the opposite way out of the center of the rubber. Deals. And Hernandez floats it into shallow center. Polanco sprints in, makes the catch. And the Blue Jays go down 1-2-3. Back out. First pitch to Toman. Misses low and in. Ball 1-0 to Tucker. He swings and misses. 1-1. He nods at the sign from Alfonso. Is 1-1. Toman flies it foul. Keep him cool. 1-2. Toman takes way outside. Fastball not close. Stance. Sporting some rec specs today. 2-2. Takes a curveball called strike 3. Batter. First pitch. Shams takes up ball 1. 22. 1-0. Shams takes down and away. 2 balls and KBO and Korea. 2-0 popped foul behind home plate. Sure. 2-1. Shams takes a breaking ball low and Aki back in 2022. 3-1. Shams holds up on a high fastball. He didn't go. He draws a 1-out walk. So the Blue Jays have a 4th inning base. First pitch to Joseph is popped up, third base side of the infield. Obviously makes a decision like Chang made all the more important. Joseph, be sure, making that choice. 0-2, misses down, 1 ball, 2 strikes. Harrington in there. 1-2. Joseph swings and misses on the curveball. That's strike 3. First pitch to the lefty from Chang. Misses down, ball 1. Got Chang from Taiwan. 1-0. Breaking ball bends in there. 1-1. Robertis takes outside. The bulky left-handed hitter. He's got some good pop. Waits on the 2-1. And hops a curveball right to the second baseman, Toledo. He gloves it, sidearms to first in time. And the inning is over. Hung back out. Face Bryce Arnold. First pitch. Poured in song. Recently changed, by the way. 0-1. Hammered down the left field line. Foul. All over a fastball on the inside half. Makes up the 3rd. 0-2. Arnold takes down and outside. 1 ball, 2 strikes. Hard to hit here soon. 1-2. Arnold takes a heater upstairs. Pretty hard to hit. 2-2. Arnold takes a curveball. Looking for a 7th. He sets and fires. And Arnold takes upstairs. Ball 4. Left-handed batter, right-handed thrower. First pitch. Arias takes low. Ball 1. 1-0 offer. Misses way outside. 2 balls, no strikes. pitch. Called strike. Between shortstop and third base. 2-1. Arias lines it into right, sends Torero back, still going back, he can't get it, and one hops the wall. Arnold hustling towards third, he gets the stop sign there, and Arias pulls up at second with a double. And now after the infield mound visit, here comes the skipper. Jim Horner says, I'm calling time, I'm going to the bullpen. And he'll call Peyton Stumbo and take Chang out of the ball game. He's responsible for the runner.